we are continuing solving the sums based on heights and distances. Now, here it is given that a man 1.8 meter tall stands at a distance of 3.6 meter from a lamp post, right? So, a man who is 1.8 meter tall stands at a distance of 3.6 meters from a lamp post. This is a lamp post, and casts a shadow of 5.4 meter on the ground. We know that shadows are always longer, right? So 5.4 meter is the length of the shadow, right? Find the height of the lamp post. He wants us to calculate the height of the lamp post. Here we have a lamp. Here we have a man whose height is 1.8 meter. And because of this lamp, there is a shadow falling here on this side of the ground, which is 5.4 meter. And man is standing away from this lamp post. What is that distance? 3.6 meters. And now he wants us to calculate the height of the lamp post. So if we join this and consider this angle as theta, right? We can join this also. If this is 1.8 meter, this will also be 1.8 meter, right? If this is theta, this angle will also be theta. Let's name this as A, B, C and D. Right? Now, let me name this as Y. And if this is 3.6 meters, this distance will be also 3.6 meters. Right? Now, what I will do is I will take this triangle, big triangle, and in this big triangle I have tan theta equal to opposite. What is that? Y plus 1.8 upon adjacent. What is that? 5.4 plus 3.6, right? So my tan theta will be y plus 1.8 upon, this is 9, right? Let me keep it as it is. Let me come to this triangle. In this triangle, again tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent, that is 1.8 upon 5.4, right? So this and this will go. I am left with 18 by 54. 18 ones are 18 threes are. So I got tan theta, value of tan theta here as 1 by 3. Now, this is also my tan theta and this is also my tan theta. Since this small triangle and the big triangle, they are similar to each other. That is why I can compare these two. I have y plus 1.8 upon 9 equals 1 by 3, right? If I cross multiply, I will get y plus 1.8 is equal to 9 divided by 3, right? So 3 3s are 9. So my y will be 3 minus 1.8. So what is 3.0 minus 1.8? 10 minus 2 is, this is 1.2. So I got y as 1.2. So if I am getting y as 1.2, what will be my DC? My DC will be 1.2 plus 1.8, which is 3. So your DC will be 3 meters. See, you can directly do it without choosing this part as y. This part you can choose y if you want to take this and this triangle. What is the another direct way of doing this? You can write tan theta is equal to DC upon this distance. DC upon 5.4 plus 3.6. So tan theta will be DC upon 9, right? Keep it as it is. Then come to this triangle. You have tan theta equal to 1. This triangle, opposite upon adjacent. 1.8 upon 5.4, which we saw was 1/3 here. Now you can compare both of these. You will get DC by 9 is equal to 1/3, or DC is equal to 9/3. 3 3s are. So DC is equal to 3 meters. Fine. Either you take these two triangles separately, then you need Y here, or you can directly also do it. Fine. Now, another one. In this, the figure is given in the question. He's saying that a man stands on the ground at a point A, right? Here, a man stands at point A, which is on the same horizontal plane as B, okay? Same horizontal plane as B. So this is 90. This is also 90. The foot of the vertical pole BC. Now this is the foot of this vertical pole BC, and along this plane, same horizontal plane, we have this B, right? BC. The height of the pole is 10 meters. Now the height of this entire pole is how much? 10 meters. It's given, right? And the man's eye is 2 meters above the ground. Now man's eye is here 2 meters above the ground. So this will also be 2 meters. Then this distance will be 10 minus 2, that means 8 meters. Fine. Okay. He observes the angle of elevation of C. That means when he looks at C, the angle of elevation is X, where tan X degree is 2/5. So he has given us that value of tan X degree is equal to 2/5. Calculate the distance AB in meters. He wants us to calculate this distance AB in meters. Now you can clearly see that if AB is Y, AB distance is equal to D. This is also Y. So let's take this triangle CED. In this triangle, tan X degree is equal to opposite upon adjacent. What is the opposite side here? Now we have calculated that CE, right? Because entire CB is equal to 10 meters, then BE is equal to 2 meters. Therefore, CE is equal to 8 meters. So this C is 8 and this DE is Y. So opposite is 8 and adjacent is Y. Now the value of tan X is given to us. How much is that? 2/5 is equal to 8/Y. If you cross multiply 2Y equal to 40. So your Y is equal to 20. So your Y is 20. That means DE is 20. But DE is equal to AB. So that is also equal to 20 meters.